waste my time. Don't go blowing up my line.
Hey y'all, hopping straight in. Your girl is tired, but y'all know I'm not leaving the house unless my hair is done. Starting off with Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3, you're supposed to apply this to damp hair, so I did wet my hair off camera and start applying this throughout my entire head. I've noticed since I started using the Olaplex for my wash days, my silk presses come out so much better. So I highly recommend you try these products. Also, every single thing that you see in this video will be linked in the description bar below in my Amazon storefront, except for me. After distributing all of the product throughout my hair, I'm going to throw it into a little bun and set my timer for 10 minutes to let this sit and really work. Once the timer goes off, I'm going to rinse this out and head into the next step, which is the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I really love this shampoo. I feel like it gets my scalp really clean, and I really focus on my scalp and also the perimeter of my hair because I do apply a lot of edge control throughout the weeks of wearing my silk press. I try to wash my hair once a week, but sometimes that goes into 2 weeks, and I just want to make sure all that buildup is off of my scalp. Now that I have scrubbed my scalp to death, I'm going to head in with the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner, really focusing on my hair strands and not necessarily my scalp. You want to make sure with a conditioner that you are putting on your actual hair and not your scalp because your hair needs it. Once I've applied my desired amount of conditioner, I'm going to go in with a Denman brush and just rake the product through my entire head, making sure I am detangling all of my hair. Now, I know it may look like I'm being very rough with my hair, but y'all, I promise I am not. I'm just making sure that I'm getting any tangles out and making sure that I can take the brush from root to tip without any tangles. Look at the curls. Yes, I do have some heat damage. No, I do not care. But the curls in the back are thriving, and we love that for me. So now that I have raked the product throughout my entire head, I'm going to brush it all back until I look like Al Sharpton. And then we're going to rinse this out and put a towel on our heads and head to the bathroom so we can start the styling process. You can also use an old t-shirt or a microfiber towel, but I just use whatever I have that's right in front of me. So today it was a towel, but please use whatever you prefer. So this is what my hair looks like. It is pretty dry from being in that towel, and I'm going to part my hair into the sections that I'm going to style it and wear my hair. I've noticed that this just makes it a lot easier and quicker process. So I'm going ahead and put 2 buns in the front. I'm using my agave and lavender blow drying spray from Design Essentials, applying that throughout the first section. And then I'm going in with my absolute favorite blow dryer. This is a hair brush blow dryer, and this completely changed the game for me. Like when I tell y'all, it basically looks like a blowout when you get done. It is just top tier. If you don't get anything from this video, get that blow dryer. It literally cuts my time in half of blow drying my hair. I only have 2 scoops of hair to begin with right now. So this literally only takes me less than 10 minutes to get a really, really good blow dry. And for me, a good silk press starts with a good blow dry. Do y'all see how straight my hair is? It looks like a blowout. When I get to the front sections of my hair, I am going to divide each section into 2 just to make sure that I am getting my hair as straight as possible and as flat as possible because like I said, a good silk press starts with a good blow dry. And I am heavy-handed, so this looks way more aggressive than it actually is, I promise. Once I finish with blow drying my entire head, I am going to try to perfect my part as much as I can, but baby, the way I was struggling to get this part together, at the end of the day, it don't even matter because the side part gonna side part. And also, where all my side part girlies at? Because the side part eats down. Like, it eats down. A middle part is cute, but that side part, I'm gonna do it every time. It just gets very mysterious to me, and I love that. So moving along, I am going in with my Puritan Titanium Flat Iron on 430. You can use a lower temperature or a higher temperature. It's up to you, but I'm starting off with my kitchen because, yeah, don't miss the back of that neck. We don't need to be having beater bites in the back and the rest of our hair straight. So I'm just going in, making very small sections out of that back section. And I like to go in 1 to 2 times at the root and then chase it with a rat tail comb. This is just a preference. You don't have to do this, but I've noticed that it just makes my silk presses a lot smoother and flowier. So the back is completely done, and we're moving to the front of our head and repeating the exact same steps over and over again. And I am bumping the ends a little bit just to make sure that we have some body. Don't forget them edges because you have beauty bites up there too. Now, this is the most important part, especially for those who are doing a side part. When you get to whichever side you're going to part your hair on, that will kind of be over your eye. You want to bump the ends so you can create that curl. Now, I am going to be bumping the ends like really, really tight because I am not wearing my hair the same day. So I like to bump it tighter if I know I'm going to be wearing it the very next day so it can be prepped overnight. So the higher I go or the closer I get to being done, the sooner I start bumping the end, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to continue to repeat the same steps, bumping the ends, and you see that the curl and the bump, that the little C that we're trying to achieve is there. This is the end result. We're not done though. We're going to add the olive oil moisturizing oil to my hair, and then we are going to wrap it. Wrapping it to me just sets it all in place and it gets those layers perfectly together. So we're going to wrap it. Once I wrap it, we're going to go to bed. I will see y'all in the morning. While I finish wrapping my hair, I do want to answer some frequently asked questions. So yes, I am natural. I've been natural all of my life. I do have heat damage. I do not care about the heat damage. Personally, I believe that your hair should reflect your current lifestyle. And with me working out 6 times a week and also having to be camera ready at least 2 times a week to film, I am not really in the headspace to rock my naturally curly hair. It takes a lot more time, energy, and effort that I just don't have. So I really love rocking my bob or any kind of protective style. So now I am going to unwrap my hair. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this is actually day 4 hair. I went out of town and was not able to film the end of this video, but the hair is still giving. It is still giving very much silky, and it is giving body. Y'all get into the shake. Go ahead, girl, shake it, shake it. Yes, ma'am. I am so in love with these results. I got so many compliments on my hair, and people never believe me when I tell them I did this myself at home. It's silk press season, and there's no reason why you should be paying over $100 when you can get salon results at home. So make sure you check that description bar to get all the products and tools used in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. I love you. God loves you more. And always, 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 always stay prayed up, stay motivated, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.